Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Friday. I know I was missing in action yesterday. Again, probably like second time in a row this month. But I just had to take certain decision. Like, okay, if I'm tired, if I'm not in a energetic situation or position, I would say, I would rather refrain from coming and switching on my system and recording this daily update. Now, if the question is why I was tired yesterday and why I was exhausted, if you remember on Wednesday, I told that yesterday I'll be going for some personal work with my dad, and that was regarding some site registration work. So we had to visit a sub register office, and it was a nightmare experience. Nightmare experience because 5 hours was spent sitting in a probably what you would say like a crowded room without going anywhere, and it was noisy, it was chaotic, it was nightmare. And the nightmare is the right word here. So basically we were supposed to reach there by I think 9:30 or 10. We reached there at that time. The folks who were supposed to assist us with the registration, they'd already started allocating serial numbers, and by the time we reached, the number that was allocated to us was 13. So that means that there are already 12 people in the queue, and initial estimate was that each person would take about 10 to 15 minutes. But as the day went by, the so-called government servers started behaving in a more lunatic way, which means that they stopped responding, or I don't know, whatever is that. And for each person, it was taking like anywhere close to half an hour or more. Initially, the first 3 to 4, we saw that it was going pretty fast, but after that, it became slow, and we were told that it was because like it's a region specific thing that it was slow, not the generic server. So they started taking files from other people, and the entire sequencing system went for a toss, which actually meant that we were sitting in that room, that sub-register office hall, or I would say, for close to 5 hours, the same place for 5 hours, waiting for us for our name to be called, so that we can go get the photo taken and signatures done and all those stuff. It was really horrible, I would say. I mean, I have gone to sub register office in the past, and even just I think a month ago also I had been there in different place altogether. But that was so well organized, and it was like more of like a sub register office in a outskirts, so the process was also pretty fast. But this one, being in the heart of the city in Baswangudi, it was jam packed, and the whole experience, if I really have to tell you how it felt like, is like imagine sitting in a room where like for 5 hours with some sound. Okay, and if you really fast forward it, like say even by 100%, like you double up the speed for 2.5 hours, it felt like somebody is drilling a hole through your head. It was like so noisy and so irritating. I mean, you are not supposed to use the phone. I mean, I don't know if I would have really used the phone to speak to someone, but again, I didn't want it to drain off my battery, like watching any YouTube video or going through Instagram and sitting in between the crowd or anything like that. But again, it was not a good experience. But the best part is our work is done. This was probably the last in the series that we had to get cleared off. So this is done. So it's all cleared now. So no more visits to sub register office for any foreseeable future, at least for this type of thing, I would say. Now, again, this is a site which dad had invested in years ago, which got allocated, and we visited this location multiple times over the last several years. We had an option of changing the site and get something better one. So eventually, we had decided and we got it registered in our name. Now, while talking about all these things, why I explicitly mentioned the details is because today, and probably even yesterday, I came across like I think two videos. Not yesterday, I think today was one, and I think it was 2 days back. Um, the video was about financial freedom, and the more I think about that video after watching it this morning during the walk, or rather after listening to it during the walk this morning, the more I feel that, yeah, I mean, it's always better to play safe, have some investment, and have some kind of like a financial freedom, rather than being sorry later. I'm not a kind of person who would like, I mean, at least like I've evolved into a person who don't does not go and blow up all the money that is there, that comes in as a salary. But having said that, I do my own savings, but it's all like diverted into one specific way. So in that way, I just learned and realized that there is so many different ways of doing it. And RDs, or just keeping the money in the account itself, is not the only option. And I think that's something which I have to probably play around a little bit next year. Maybe try to redirect and invest a little bit in, say, something in SIPs or mutual funds, or probably something in FD, so that like keep something away for the long term, do something for short term ones, and probably do something for midterm, like uh, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, and all those things. And again, keep different funds for travel, keep different funds for vehicle related stuff and all those stuff. I just realized that like a travel and hobby stuff, I should keep it away from the main account. I mean, I should start saving it rather than picking up everything from the same account. So this is something which I realize that I have to do. And when it comes to long term, definitely real estate is one thing which everyone would like to. It's not something like it's easy that you go ahead and pick it up. I have been thinking about buying my own flat since last, I would say, like a year or so more. Me and my wife have been discussing about it, but the prices are so exorbitantly high that we are refraining from proceeding anything further on any of those things. But again, these sites are something which dad had invested small bits of money when he was working, and these things had got allocated long back. I mean, when I say long back, it was like years ago. So in that way, we got it for like very good prices then. And even if like now that it's officially registered, even if you go and sell it now, we definitely will get a good profit. We can get good money. But again, that is not the intent here. At least these would remain like this for maybe like another 5-10 years or whatever, so that we can sell it later if really need be. I mean, I would say if really need be, we'll sell it in a future date when we want to do something big and we need some chunk of money. So in that way, I think dad is really very thoughtful about us spending his money, hard-earned money, on redirecting into such investments. So I need to start thinking about these things as well. So probably my bigger goal when it comes to investment is for sure paying up my own flat, having my own apartment or flat or house for that matter. I don't want to build it from ground up. I would leave that probably to somebody like a flat builder or someone, so that they build and give the end result to us. And eventually I will probably, to begin with, redirect that rental money to repay the loans. And after some time, it's all our own, and we'll see what to do about it later on. But something which I probably need to spend some time thinking about. I'm not really sure if that will really happen next year itself, or maybe later, or maybe sooner. I don't know. But a lot of things about this financial security is something which has been, I would not say bothering, but it's keeping my mind engaged so that I can start thinking and acting towards it. So I think I'll probably leave that there. I mean, these two things were interrelated, and I just also wanted to tell why exactly I didn't come to record anything yesterday, because I came back home at 3, and again I had some office stuff to attend, and I had like a couple of calls in the evening. So I just realized that there is no point in me switching on my system to record this, because I was completely exhausted. I mean, the right word is like I was like mind fucked. So I didn't wanted to get into a very tired way of recording something. I mean, I wanted to be in a right mindset to explain all these things, and luckily I just bumped into this video also. So it kind of like relates to both of them about financial security and financial freedom. So probably going forward, I'll let you guys know how I plan things and how I'm investing in different things, or saving up stuff for travel, personal, medical needs, and all stuff related to savings. Okay, that's something for next year. So that's it for now. So hope everyone has a very good weekend. I'll be back on Monday, but probably the 5 videos or 4 videos that I'll do next week would be the last for this year. I just want to take some break and spend some time with the family, so I would just stop it at around Thursday. So that's it for today. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye.